Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the compressor is safe and ready. Check oil level, quick visual hose check, and open the tank drain briefly to remove condensation. Once done, position the car on level ground and engage the parking brake so nothing shifts. Now attach the regulator and set a conservative PSI target roughly 30% below the tire's recommended pressure to avoid overinflation. This first low pass prevents mistakes, and it primes the system so you can move to control. You now connect the hose firmly to the valve stem, making sure the chuck is straight and clamped to avoid leaks. Then do short inflation bursts of 5 to 10 seconds, release, and immediately check pressure with a separate calibrated gauge. This stepwise approach prevents overshoot. If pressure is low, increase the regulator by 2 to 3 psi between bursts so you make measured progress. Keep an eye on temperature and hose positioning. Heat buildup or kinks affect flow and accuracy. You finish by removing the chuck and quickly rechecking each tire with the gauge to confirm exact pressure. If you overfill, release air a little using the valve core or a press tool, then remeasure. Make sure to tighten valve caps, coil the hose neatly, and once the compressor cools, open the tank drain to remove moisture. If the unit fails to build or hold pressure, check electrical supply and fuse first, then inspect the belt, unloader valve, and hose connections for leaks before attempting another run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.